Hello. So I just got a new pop socket. Oh, I forget about the AC every time. Girl, I'm hot. I'm gonna just yell, okay? I got a new pop socket, and so it fits perfectly on the air vent. So yeah, it just makes my life so much easier. It's an enamel pop socket, so you know. I forgot I need to use GPS, girl. Okay. I'll pull it up in a bit. I cannot stop thinking about this frog that was dead on the street. It's flat, which means it got ran over. And I feel like I'm the one that ran over it. So it makes me sad. It's also kind of nasty, but okay, so I am on my way to go drop off a card for my friend. She's having a very safe birthday. She invited a few people over, but I'm just very nervous about it. It comes and goes of how nervous, like my level of nervousness changes. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, you know, it'll be fine, I can just go to the store real quick. And then other times I'm like, I cannot go to the store, I need to get my groceries delivered, like I need to Lysol everything down, blah blah. So like I don't, you know, that's life. That's life right now. But I don't really want to sit at a birthday party. Like everybody got tested and everything to make sure they were clear, but I'm like, what did you do in those 3 days between the day you got tested and today, you know? So I'm just going to go by, drop off a card, you know, maybe take a flick for the gram, and then go from there, just because like it just makes me nervous. And I mean, this is like one of my best friends, so I don't want to just not go. So yeah, she probably doesn't want to be on camera, but Ashley made a big girl purchase. It's not Ashley's birthday. Ashley, say hello. We are the two oldest friends who just did not do what we needed to do to get in the party. So we're just dropping off our gift together. Okay, we're waiting. They're doing karaoke, I guess. I feel like she's gonna let us in, but we'll find out. You know? Never know.
I don't even want to see them other people.
I don't. Especially because I just didn't get dressed. I was like, okay, she's not gonna let us in. So.
She don't care about her friends. We her real friends.
No.
I seem like it right now.
It might look like we not the real one.
Okay.
We got real John.
Shit. I didn't get no damn thing. I got my COVID test today and I was 45 minutes late to that one. Okay? I thought she was just trying to encourage people to get one for the sake of getting one.
No, I knew she was dead ass.
Trying to cover us.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Happy birthday! Happy happiest birthday!
Thank you! Yay! Okay, now that I have sweated like it's nobody's business, I mean, look at my face. The AC is blasting, so I'm yelling. Yeah, now I'm gonna go to Best Buy and see what kind of mechanical keyboards they have. And yeah, my hair, she looks a little, you know, it was a quick job, so it looks a little wild. And the only problem is it's not gonna stay because it's not lit. Anyways, it's hot as hell, and I'm going to Best Buy. There you go. Alright, I made it to Best Buy. Apparently they close at 6 and it is like 5:10. So I gotta hurry up and choose one of these people. Okay, so this Best Buy is kind of whack. I really just want a mechanical keyboard. Let's see. Wireless, but it's not mechanical, I don't think. I thought MK was like mechanical, but I guess not. All right, now we're talking. No, it's not what I came for. Okay. Oh, hey, look, they have this thing. That's not what I came for. Okay. Keycaps. My problem is I want a wireless mechanical keyboard for $12. Okay, so here are my options. You get this one. Never mind. This hoe is $2.50. Yeah. I am looking for. So I'm giving up on my wireless dreams, and I'm getting this one because it felt nice. I don't recognize these switches. I did a lot of research. Don't recognize those, but I'm gonna order a custom one anyway. So whatever. We're just gonna get this one first. So we got this keyboard. I would have filmed more in the store, but people act really weird when they see you recording a video like it's not 2020 and everybody doesn't have a YouTube channel. It says it has linear optical switches. Here's the thing. I want to order a custom mechanical keyboard anyway, so if I really, really, really like this one, then I'll keep it. Doubt that'll happen. So, also this was $140. I thought it was only $100. That's why I picked it up, but she scanned this hoe and it said $140, so wasn't gonna turn around. So I better like it a lot, otherwise I will return it. But since I know I want a special one anyway, I might just like return this. $140, girl. Anyways, I'm gonna go to $140 and it's got wires. I'm gonna try to go to Victoria's Secret. Am I? No, I don't need to. I don't want to, but I won't. I do need to go to Michael's, but I can't remember. Oh, Hodgepodge and other I just don't even feel like it. It's so GD hot that I just want to go home. So I think that's what I'm doing. So I stopped at the snow cone shop. I kind of hate it, I won't lie. But it's the closest to me and the snow cones are good, but like it's so ugly. Like it's been there since I was a kid and they've never replaced that sign. The signs are always handwritten, like glow up, please. But I guess if you keep making money, you don't see the point. That's not me. If it was my business, it'd be ran very different, but here we are. Anyways, I got a what did I get? A sour strawberry. I ventured out today. I normally get sour punch, which I think is just a mixture of all the sours. And these nerds, it was $1 to get these nerds. I'm like, dang. Oh, never mind, that's ice. This is how big it is. But so since I paid for the nerds, they didn't top my snow cone off. I'm like, how lazy is that? Because like, so this is the size of mine. It's just in this cup. Again, aesthetic is gone. And this I got for my brother. And look at how big this is. So I'm gonna take some of his. Don't tell him though. Yeah, and then there's like, this is gonna melt so fast. Okay. Anyways. The nerd got me. It's alright. The only reason I came here is because I didn't feel like driving to Bahama Bucks. Otherwise, y'all already know I'm gonna have my little color changing spoon and my umbrella. Period. Okay, so now I'm outside skating, watching some Best Dressed. So yeah, watch me skate. All right, my neighbors were just watching me through their window, but like I can see them very well. And so I just picked up my camera to feel a little bit more normal. But who does that? I can see them so clearly through their window looking at me. That's weird. Okay, so in these next parts, you see me skating. I was trying to learn that tap in dance from TikTok. You know, tap in from Sweetie. Little waist fat ass bitch tap in. That one. So I mean I know the dance, but I'm just not that good at it on skates. So you see me here practicing that dance. I think I almost fall in one of these clips. And I left more in just so y'all could see like my skating session, you know. If you are learning to skate, it is not super easy. Like everything does not come naturally. Um Also in those videos, they dance on really flat surfaces, smoothly paved. I'm dancing in the middle of the street, and I'm also going uphill. So it's a very, it's a battle for me. I think in this clip, I finally got the dance right. I don't look as cute as I would want to, and I definitely wouldn't feel extra confident. Like, nope, I didn't get it right. That's why I'm stretching up to the sky right there. But I don't feel confident doing it without my knee pads. I think I could also get better at crossovers if I wasn't wearing my knee pads, but I need them in case I fall. So, yeah. Um so that's what's happening here. I'm gonna show you how to back up. Oh, no, I'm too early. Okay. Face on zaddy, pockets on jigga. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder. See, I finally got it there. So I was excited. And it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt because it's so close to my color. Okay, now in this video, is this the jumping? Oh no, I'm doing it again. Huh? I don't know what I'm doing. Shout out to that hip action though. Oh, okay, yeah, I did it one more time. But see, when I get the dance right, I forget to move. So, okay, now here we go. This is what I'm really, truly, honestly proud of. I really want to learn how to do a 360, like a jump, a spin. Well, I guess a jump because I can spin. But it's tough and it's scary, and I finally did it. Boom! Yes, it's done. Very exciting. So that's my skating adventure for that day. Why can't I talk?
It's even better than tomatoes, if you want to be honest. And all I'm doing with my spinach is just putting it in a salad spinner and putting it in a bowl.
I'm exhausted, girl. I think that's a new vlog for today. I'm just gonna eat and do some other normal people stuff. So be kind of boring, but yes, I will catch y'all in the next one. See you next time. Bye.